Hello, in order to enable or disable edge panels on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, or actually sidebars, because this is how it's called on this device, we need to go to the settings, and then in the settings you want to scroll down and go to gestures, and then in the gestures over here we have the sidebar, and there we go. Over here we can enable and disable the sidebar. Once we enable the sidebar, it should be located over here on the right side. You might be able to see this little rectangle over here. So we need to swipe from this side over here towards the middle in order to open the sidebar. We can also tap on the setting over here in order to manage the apps that we can see. We can also switch to tools and contacts. Of course, we need to allow contacts for this. And there we go. We can also tap on this setting here in the top right corner in order to find more options. So here on the left side, we can see the current list of apps and tools and contacts that we have. So we can remove something by simply tapping on this app. And we can add something by tapping on the list on the right side. And there we go. This is how we can manage the sidebar as well. So there we go. Swipe over here and you have the access. Over here we can also go to the settings. So let me do that one more time. There we go. Here we have the settings. And we can also go to apps over here. Wait, let me actually do this one more time. There we go. And here we have all apps, list of all apps. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!